Hello investor, hopefully you are having the wonderful time. In today's video, I'm going to cover the TSX top 10 winners, and basically these are the 10 top 10 stocks which gives over 250% returns. Yes, over and 250% returns, or if you have in the last 3 years. Basically, if you have invested in 2017 and within in 3 years you have more than 250 returns, so that's the benchmark. So let's get started. So if somebody is looking for the growth stocks, and you don't have to always go to the US. In the Canada as well, these stocks are giving good returns. Myself, Pramod Kumar, I am a CFA charter holder, FRM certified. So without further delay, I'll get started. So I'll go over the number 10, and then slowly I'll go over the number 1 stocks. In this one, what I will do, I will just don't go to the deep evaluation. I'll just go and quickly tell about the company, then cover its price metrics and also the valuation metrics quickly, to give us just a quick sense what is this stock is all about. So the number 10 in my list is the cargo jet. So yes, the cargo jet is basically what it's doing. It's the domestic overnight air cargo company, basically, that operates casual routes for multi-cargo. Basically it deliver packages and all, and cargo, you understand that well, right? So this one has grown pretty nicely, right? This is not we're talking about the passenger and all. This is just the packaging, and for sure it doesn't impact by any, like. So without further delay, so let's see what's the pricing right now. So right now the pricing open at $214, and it is on the day high of 215 to 211. But on the weekly side, basically, if you can see, it's pretty much over double, right? It was low 67 and now it's 250. So almost 4x up, right? So we can see here it's risk on the valuation side. This is a 3.3 billion the market cap, and the book level is quite 16 times of his book value, right? So that is worst thing here is, although this company, what I don't like, even if has the ticker is this one and the return is good, but still is the earning of the company is still negative, right? So that's what honestly I don't like about this company. But one thing for sure, this is the dividend stock, so that's pretty good, and it has been a long and the dividend is growing at the rate of 7%. So even if the stock doesn't do well, you will still receive the dividend, and 5-year dividend growth is even higher, right? 10. So these are my red flags to say that not just to alert, but to say this is very good. This is my way of saying that. So yeah, I like it. But the only thing is, yeah, it is right now is a higher. Yeah. So this is number 10. I use a similar style for all other. The only things changing is the ticker name and the return, which is keep increasing. Okay. So let's go to the next one, the number 9. So the number 9 is the TERANGA, if I'm pronouncing right, the gold corporation. Basically, this is the gold-based company which is doing the production, development, and explorations across West Africa and some other part. The stock, good thing about the stock is not that expensive, right? It's close to $14. But look at the jump here. It goes from almost $4 to 4. Again, this is 4 times, almost 4x up, right? It's less risky as compared to the other ones, but it doesn't pay the dividend, right? And the PE ratio, look at the good thing is that it has the earnings. So this is good sign. It is doing some earning, and this is not as big as the cargo jet on the market cap, but it still is 2.4. But look at the earning PE, so expensive, is 123.90. So this is I don't like it. This is pretty expensive. and the return on equity and asset is only 2% what it's saying. Okay, so yeah, but yeah, so that's the second. If you want to, I think mostly people buy this because of the go of to hedge the portfolio, because or to see because of the market is bad. That where I can see people buying the gold stocks, or but the best is to buy the ETFs and all, right, or direct investment into golds. ETF you can easily sell that, and those are the better ones. I have covered some good videos in the early months when the COVID was started, so feel free to check it out on the channel if you want. Okay, so the ticker name is this one is TGZ, and it is 250% up. Let's go to the next one. The next one is number 8. One thing I just make you a caution, guys, that in the TSX, I'm not sure why, but mostly these are the gold minings and the mining companies, right? But they are in different areas. These are in Bulgaria and all, and this is the again mining company. The stocks, if honestly, if I want to, this is less PE is still 112 worst, but as compared to 200 it's still better. Good thing about the price is, look at the price, right? It's not that bad, 8.73. So but it jumps from 3.2 to 7.70, which is the 52 weeks high. Another, this is the dividend paying. I like this one because it's cheap, and this is the dividend paying. I don't know the fundamental inside from the financial and all, which we need to see, but overall, and plus it also has EPS positive. So the more we are going higher, looks like it's much better. But look at the beta. Beta is twice risky, so it's riskier, right? Because the beta is 2. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one is the Westdoom Gold Miles. Again, these are the mile. I let you can pause and read. Again, this is $10. Wow, this is even better, right? The PE is 28 only. Now we are talking. So this is good. Oh, no dividend, right? So no dividend here. That's not good, right? That's not good. But the price wise is the 3 times, right? It went, so now it's 2x, it's 12, but it went almost the 3x on the price. So maybe this one, so where it function, it's group primary function through the Canada and drives revenue from sale of gold and silver bullions. Okay, these are mining related to exploration. Yeah, maybe we can look. This is not bad. So this is the ticker. Look into it. Okay, let's go to the number 6. This is the International Tower Hill Mines. Again, this is the Canadian mine company. Canada, as you know, very rich in terms of the natural. Maybe I'll put myself here. In terms of the natural resource and all. So ticker is ITH. It's close to 300% return, which is good. No dividend, as you can see. Wow, look at the price. Price is only 1.88. So it went 3 times. So maybe need to see. It is approximately 700 miles from Fairbanks, blah blah. Smaller private mines, Alaska state claim purchase located at patent held by the company. Okay, so yeah, this is still very low price. Maybe it can go higher, but it's already doing good, right? It just went from 42 cents to $3, right? So wow, look at the jump. Okay, what's number 5? This is the LCR gold, and then here we can, I didn't find it from the traditional site, so I have to go to the Yahoo Finance to find this data. So this is 2.7 billion. Again, the price is not bad, but this is $350 in terms of the in terms of the return. Again, this is a very famous one, Kirkland Lake Gold, KLG, 363% return. Dividend paying, that's very good. Wow, look at the PE here. Maybe now we are talking. It's only 15 as compared to other ones, right? Where 200, 300. But one thing you noticed here, right? Okay, the PE is low. If I see PB book is not higher, but earning is very good, right? So earning is higher here, which is good. But look at the price is $58, $60. So pretty much those earlier shares, those ones, even 1.88. Look at this one, right? This is not bad. We can only get this from $10, right? If you want to invest in gold and get the gold return. But here, this is the company is good, but at the same time, it's very expensive as well because the earnings picked up. So need to see from all. Maybe it can go further higher, that we need to know, but maybe the others are cheaper, and this is the dividend paying. So that's bonus on the top. But the dividend in last 3 months, wow, look at this, 114% increase. So the company is giving good. Oh, maybe I have. Yeah, oops. Yeah, so you can see now, yeah, this is the dividend paying, and the company is doing good as well. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Okay, so this one is the cannabis stocks. The share price is not bad. This is, as you can see, the ticker is CRONS 3738, almost 400%, 70 times. This is crazy, right? And then, but the price over book is not that much, is only 1.44, right? And no dividend, but the price is low. The good thing about these one, I find the price, if the price is low, but if it, right, so that's really make a difference. So they export to Poland and Germany. I'm not sure how big is the market. For sure, German has a very good in terms of economy. And the Cove and Spinach, right, doing something there. So headquartered in Toronto, sell medicine and through this brand. Okay, so for sure need to do some research on here, but overall this is the number 3. So far, if you like this and you want me to make this kind of a video, take a lot of effort to bring all those data and to bring all those data together, collect and make video, I really appreciate the thumbs up here, and also feel free to subscribe to the channel and let me know your opinion as well, because these are the information I'm sharing, so people, investor can get benefit out of it. And also, what's your thought on it, right? Do you think you already own some of these stocks? Are you planning to own some of these? I'm certainly will look into honestly and to get some of these into my portfolio. I don't own any of these right now, but this is good. Okay, the next one is the number 2, and you can see the return. Look at the return, 456, almost 60%. This is in the clean energy growth company. This is maybe a good sector to look into. The companies engage in proton exchange membrane fuel cell development and commercial, right? So this is something different, fuel cell, clean chemical device, and they operate, major of the revenues coming from China. I don't know why and also has a presence to produce electricity. Okay, electric device and other sector as well. Okay, so this is looks good, something different. Need to see what this industry is all about. And the market cap is 5.7 billion. PEB is 8, but this is still negative. Maybe once the PEs get positive, then this will, the price will go up again, right? But already we know this almost 5 times higher. So right now is 3x, right? The price is 3x of it was or low before. So that's on this one. So can you guess if you, oh my god, sorry about that. I think I by mistake yeah, so hide the video. So yeah, so this is the price. I think you can see nothing, can need to look here, but the price goes almost 3-4x up. Okay, so now if you want, you can have a little bit twist and surprise and see which one is the number 1. Yes, and surprisingly, I noticed here there is so many bank stocks, like good banks in Canada, and other company, but no one reach in top 10 in terms of the price returns, right? That's mostly the mining stocks, and there is nothing, not even a tech stock I see here. This is a little bit different. Energy, yeah, I do see some wheat stocks in top 10. In the next 10 to 20, I do see a couple of wheats and other stock, but yeah, and some others, but mostly I think is dominated by the in TX is by the minings, right? So because of maybe the Canada niche, hopefully it will change in near future. But okay, let me take the surprise off. The first one is Shopify. The ticker is shop, and this is, you see the return is crazy. It's over 1000% up. Wow, this is amazing, right? And if I see the PE is also crazy, is very expensive, right? 549 times of the earning. I don't know why people are investing that much, because maybe of the growth. Book value time is 18 times, but look at the return on assets and return on equity, right? It's very low. Okay, earning side is good, this is positive, right? But look at this, it's 400, it low, and it's 1500. So almost 4x times it just gone up by this year, right? So this is crazy, right? So yeah, so that's our number one. That's the technologies, that tech stock, and the Shopify has a big name. So yeah, so that's from my side, right? So what do you think on this one? Do you think you will going to invest in any of these for the next years, or do you think you will pass? Do you have any of your favorite stock? Feel free to put in the comment, give a thumbs up to this video. It really motivates me to make something this kind of video, and I know you like, so I'll try to find something similar in near future for some other exchange. And yeah, feel free to subscribe to the channel if you like it. Thanks for watching, and hopefully see you soon in next video. Bye for now.